Hi everybody, I'm here today to review Child's Pose with you. A lot of people may be familiar with it, but this is an amazing pose because it's something you can always come back to. Okay, whether you are just stressed in general or you're in the middle of a yoga practice and you need a little break, a little bit of breather, come back to your center. This is an amazing pose to do that. So there are a couple different ways that you can do that. Wherever you are, you're gonna face the front of your mat. Couple different ways. So one, you can bring your knees wide, about the width of your mat. Okay, long spine, and then you're sitting right back on your heels. Okay, big toes are together, and then you have a long spine. Walk your hands out in front of you, and then reaching tall. And then you're gonna drop your forehead all the way down to the mat, and then just breathing. If you're relaxing into it, just let everything melt down to the mat. You want to make it a little bit more active? Kind of walk your fingers forward to your mat like you're clawing forward, keeping that forehead down. And then when you come out of it, you can walk your hands back, still sitting right back on your heels. Another way to do Child's Pose is if you bring your knees together. Okay, you're still going to go forward, but this is more of a rounding in your back this time. You're going to round forward, bring your forehead to your mat, and then your arms are going to reach behind you. They can grab your heels, they can be face up on your mat, your palms facing up. Closing your eyes and just taking a deep breath.